Alright folk, welcome back to FixZone.
Today, we're tackling a super common question: how to update your apps on a Mac. If you're anything like me, you probably have a ton of apps and keeping them all updated can feel like a chore. But don't worry, it's actually pretty simple, and we're going to walk you through all the easiest ways to do it. In this video, we'll cover updating apps via the Mac App Store, manually updating apps from the developer's website, and even how to configure automatic updates so you never have to worry about it again. So if you're ready to keep your Mac running smoothly and securely, stick around. And while you're at it, if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more awesome tech tips and tutorials.
Okay, let's dive in.
First up, let's look at updating apps through the Mac App Store. This is the easiest and most common method for apps you've downloaded from, the Mac App Store. Step 1. Open the Mac App Store. Just find it in your dock, Launchpad, or by searching for it with Spotlight. Step 2. Head to the Updates section. You'll see a tab labeled Updates in the sidebar. Click on that. Step 3. Check for available updates. The App Store will show you a list of apps that have updates available. You can update individual apps by clicking the Update button next to each one. Step 4. Update all or individual apps. If you want to update everything at once, just click the Update All button in the top right corner. That's it.
Super simple.
Now, let's talk about updating apps that didn't come from the Mac App Store. These apps usually have their own update mechanisms built in. Method 1. Check within the app itself. Most apps will have an Update or Check for Updates option in their menu bar, usually under the Help or About menu. For example, if you're using Chrome, you'd go to Chrome in the menu bar, then About Google Chrome. It'll automatically check for updates. For other apps, it might be slightly different, but look around those menus. Method 2. Visit the developer's website. If you can't find an update option within the app, you can always go to the developer's website and download the latest version. Just Google the app name and add download. Make sure you're downloading from the official website to avoid any nasty surprises like malware. Finally, let's talk about setting up automatic updates. This is a lifesaver because you don't have to remember to do anything. Automatic App Store Updates Step 1. Open System Preferences. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Preferences. Now System Settings in Ventura and later. Step 2. Go to App Store. In System Preferences, or System Settings in Ventura/Sonoma, find and click on the App Store icon. Step 3. Enable Automatic Updates. Make sure the box next to Automatically Download Apps Purchased on Other Apple Devices and Install App Updates is checked. You can also choose to automatically download macOS updates. Caveat Unfortunately, this only applies to apps downloaded from the Mac App Store. For other apps, you'll need to rely on their built-in update mechanisms, if they have them. Some apps, like Adobe Creative Cloud, have their own separate update managers. And that's it. You now know how to update your apps on a Mac using the Mac App Store, manually updating apps, and setting up automatic updates. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for security, stability, and getting the latest features, so make sure you make it a habit. Thanks for watching FixZone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other questions about updating apps, or any other Mac-related problems you want us to tackle in future videos. Until next time, stay updated. Pun intended.